Yağmur Yüksel and Baris Baktas have shared a new sharing on social media. Yes, guys, and both the popular actors have taken a big step. Yağmur and Baris have taken a big step against those who write bad comments against them, and also they spoke lies about their life. Yağmur and Bari said that they are so determined and they are tired by the behavior who continuously criticize them on social media, and now they will take action against them. So Yağmur Yüksel and Baris Baktas' big step is finally taken, and they have taken this step against those who criticize them.